Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lakda, Assistant Professor, Management Department, Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. My today's topic is Sales Management. Key points of today's lecture is definition of sales, marketing, meaning of sales management, nature and importance of sales management, process of sales management, and last, benefit of sales management. Now we will understand what is sales. A sales is the pinnacle activity involved in selling product or services in return for money or other compensations. It is an act of completion of a commercial activity. Now, what is marketing? Marketing is the process associated with promotion for sales, goods, or services. It is considered a social and managerial process by which individual and group obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and values with others. It is an integrated process through which companies create value for customers and build strong customer relationship in order to capture value from customer in return. Now next one, relationship between sales and marketing. Marketing plays important part in sales. If the marketing department generate a potential customer list or a strategy, it can be beneficial for sales. Now, the marketing department goal is to bring people to the sales team using promotional techniques or tools such as advertising, sales promotion, publicity, and public relation. Now, third one is the marketing department is structured in a similar fashion to the sales department, which helps in driving more customer through the door. Next, what is sales management? Sales management is attainment of an organization's sales goal in an effective and efficient manner through planning, staffing, leading, and controlling organizational resources. Sales management is the process of developing a sales force, coordinating sales operations, and implementing sales techniques that allow a business to consistently hit and even surpass its sales targets. Sales management is the process of hiring, training, and motivating sales staff, coordinating operations across the sales department, and implementing a cohesive sales strategy that drives business revenue. Sales are the lifeblood of any organization, and managing the sales process is one of the most important functions of any business. Now, the nature of sales management. First one is goal oriented. Similar to other management functions, sales management is also have a specific purpose and intend for the achievement of specific goals and objectives. Second one is continuous process. The sales manager need to perform sales management functions regularly, and this process is never ending. Third one is systematic approach. It is an organized way of handling the sales function of the company where every problem has a defined and proven solution. Next one is relationship selling. The salespeople made efforts to build a strong customer relationship to sell the product or services effectively. Next one is marketing management integration. Marketing is a broader concept. Marketing management includes all the activities related to sales management. Next is different sales or job positions. It is the combined effort of the whole sales team, including salesperson, sales executive, sales head, sales manager, and after sales service personnel. Last is pervasive function. It is an universal applicable concept which has been adopted and tested by every kind of business organization. Now, importance of sales management. Sales management helps in realizing organizational objectives. It helps in managing sales force team. Better planning. It helps in sales maximization. It helps in build strong relationship. It helps in optimize distribution. Aids to top management decision making. Improve profitability. It helps in develop personals. And the last one is it helps in product development. Now, the sales management process. Sales management process consists of sales plan formulation, sales plan implementation, and sales force evaluation. In sales plan formulation, setting of objectives, organizing the sales force, developing account management policies. In sales plan implementation, sales force recruitment and selection, sales force training, sales force motivation and compensation. And last, sales force evaluation, quantitative assessment, behavior evaluation. Next, there is a question that who will be benefited from sales management? The answer is everyone. How? Benefit for sales manager. A sales manager get benefit by gaining vision into the company's future. He or she oversees a company's operation and can discover which segment need the most attention. They will have a clear vision of where they stand among their competitions and be able to efficiently coach their team for success. Next, benefit for salespeople. A salesperson, one who is usually in direct contact with the potential customer, whether in person or over the phone, is able to reach more customer and engage more, which will allow them to win more deals. With a sale pipeline and proper management, a salesperson will also gain more confidence and control over the complex sale process. And like the sale manager, it will give the salesperson greater visibility into their work. The last is benefit to customer. Customer will inevitable have a better experience and be more inclined to benefit from your company and purchase your product or services with an effective sale management process. They may even spread the words. This is all about sales management, its benefit, importance. Thank you. Thank you so much.